Hello guys and welcome back to another video on Tutorial Guru. Today we're going to be teaching you how to fix your issue of Instagram's feed not refreshing. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bells to get notified every time we post a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. First, go ahead and open your Instagram app. Now you try to refresh your feed but you don't really get any new posts. To fix this issue, what you're going to do is you're going to go back, long press on the app, tap on the app info option, go ahead and force stop this application. Confirm that you want to force stop. Now at the bottom of the screen, you'll also be able to see the option of clear data. So if you tap on it and tap on clear cache and confirm that you want to clear cache, by tapping on OK, you'll be able to refresh your feed again. If you do not find this option, usually this option is also under the storage under app info. So go ahead, tap on storage. As you can see, there is a clear data option. Tap on clear cache and confirm that you want to clear cache. Now go ahead and open your Instagram app again and make sure that this issue is resolved. If it still isn't resolved, then you might want to contact Instagram support. For that, go ahead and open your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Go to the three-barred menu on the top right corner and tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to the bottom and then you'll be able to see Help section. Tap on it. Under Help section, tap on Report a Problem. Tap on Report a Problem button. Include and continue. Over here, you'll see that an image is already uploaded at the bottom of your screen above the upload button. As you can see, there's an image. However, this image doesn't describe your issue, so go ahead and cross this image. Now describe what is happening with your feed and how it isn't refreshing or showing new posts. After that, if you have taken a screenshot, you can upload it through your gallery by tapping on the upload section. After you've finished describing your issue, go ahead and tap on send and Instagram will get back to you within a certain amount of time. And this shall resolve the issue. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below and thanks for watching.